If you hate that bluish gray ring around the egg yolks when you boil them, not anymore. I will show you how to boil perfectly soft eggs. We're going to do instant pot boiled eggs today. So I'm going to move this pot away so you can see. This is the insert for instant pot. I'm going to put the trivet in, half cup of water, and then let's put the eggs. I'm adding 6 eggs. Make sure they're not dipped into the water and they're just in there. They're sitting on the trivet. So let's put the instant pot to work. It goes inside. Close the lid. I always have trouble closing that. Okay, now it's closed. So this is the pressure cook button. Pressure cook. I'm going to do it on pressure level low for 3 minutes. So you can see this is 3 minutes. Even though it's 3 minutes, it will take some time to come to the pressure. You can hear it, it started beeping. So I'll meet you in about 7 minutes. So it pressure cooked for 3 minutes and lapse time is 3 minutes. You can see L3, that means it's lapse time. So I'm going to cancel it now, off, and now I'm going to release the pressure. Okay, pressure is released. Let's see if we can open it. Yeah. I have this bowl of ice cold water. So let's bring it forward. Going to move the eggs to the ice cold water. Now this will need to cool down for a couple of minutes. After that, we'll peel them. It's been 3 minutes. The eggs are pretty cool now. They feel warm but not really hot. So I think I'm going to peel them and let's see. Moment of truth. Okay, this one is not peeling right. Let's try one more. See how easily it's peeling off. One thing to remember, after cooking the eggs, they should be transferred to the ice water right away. I did not add ice to my water, it was just cold water, and that's why I'm having little bit trouble peeling them. The bottom came out, but little bit of white came out with the peel, but I'll save it, no worries. And let's check how soft it is. I was aiming for soft boiled eggs, and it's perfect soft boiled egg. Little bit of black pepper. And who wouldn't like this? So now you know how to make perfectly soft eggs in Instant Pot. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Stay connected for simple recipes like this. Thank you and goodbye.